Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside an extraordinary 50 million waterfront mansion, located in one of the most prestigious enclaves of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This breathtaking estate at 84 Isler Bahia Drive represents the pinnacle of modern luxury, living where cutting-edge architecture meets resort-style comfort. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how true billionaire living looks like. Nestled on a 0.5-acre waterfront lot, this mansion offers direct water access, stunning canal views, and ultimate privacy. Built in 2021, the home spans an impressive 11,714 square feet, featuring 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. From the moment you arrive, the sleek modern facade, expansive glass walls, and clean architectural lines make a powerful first impression. This home is designed to impress. As we step inside, we're welcomed by soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass, and an abundance of natural light. The open-plan layout seamlessly connects the formal living room, dining area, and lounge spaces, perfect for entertaining on a grand scale. Every detail, from the polished flooring to the custom finishes, reflects sophistication and luxury. The indoor spaces flow effortlessly toward the outdoors, blurring the line between interior and exterior living. The state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, oversized island seating, and premium stone countertops, this kitchen is as functional as it is stunning. Whether hosting intimate dinners or lavish parties, the adjacent dining area offers panoramic water views, creating an unforgettable dining experience. This mansion features 6 expansive bedrooms, each designed as a private sanctuary. Every bedroom includes en-suite bathrooms with luxury fixtures, walk-in closets, and elegant design touches. The primary suite is truly next level. It offers spectacular water views, a private sitting area, a spa-inspired bathroom with soaking tub, rainfall shower, and a custom-designed walk-in closet worthy of a luxury boutique. Luxury living continues with premium entertainment spaces throughout the home. From stylish lounge areas to seamless smart home technology, every element is designed for comfort and convenience. This mansion is built for both relaxation and entertaining, ideal for hosting elite gatherings or enjoying peaceful evenings by the water. Step outside, and you're greeted by a resort-style outdoor oasis. The expansive terrace, infinity, edge pool, and waterfront deck create the perfect setting for soaking in Florida's sunshine. With direct water access, this property is ideal for yacht lovers, offering a true South Florida lifestyle experience. Priced at $50 million, this Fort Lauderdale masterpiece is more than a home, it's a statement of luxury, elegance, and modern living. If you enjoyed this exclusive mansion tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury properties from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour.